Numbers from Phoenix Police this morning show calls for help when it comes to domestic violence continuing to climb. Experts saying at-home orders and isolation breeds abuse. Our Megan Thompson is live for us this morning. And Megan, the largest shelter in our state making some changes on trying to deal with those in need.
Absolutely, Justin, and we really need it. The big concern right now is that many of these people, these victims, believe that there is nothing out there to help them. The resources are closed because of the pandemic, so there's nowhere for them to go. However, New Life Center here in the West Valley, right here in Goodyear, they are looking to be innovative and collaborative to make sure everyone gets the resources they need in a safe way.
Victims no longer have that everyday escape.
There are times within one's day that they have accessibility, whether it's going to work, whether it's the children being able to go to school and have mandated reporters that are able to pulse and kind of evaluate a child and how their life is.
Schools still closed, and jobs, they may be at home too.
I think it's telling the fact that we do have beds open. That means that people can't physically sometimes get to us.
Mariah Moon has been the CEO of New Life Center in the West Valley for 2.5 years. She says the beds there prior to the pandemic were always at capacity. So now they know people do still need help, but don't know how to get it.
We just became a 24-hour response agency to serving victims of domestic violence and sexual violence.
New Life Center launching a new mobile response unit that you can call or text at any time, and a staff member will be sent out to a safe location to help. They've also started a partnership with the Goodyear Police Department, who are now creating a special protocol for their response to domestic violence victims.
We know that victims of domestic violence are going to possibly work with law enforcement, maybe working with prosecution, maybe working with medical. The Goodyear PD department has been one of my champions since I started, and so it was our idea to finally solidify our true collaboration and making sure that we are responding in a victim-centered trauma-informed response.
Even if you don't want to come and stay at the shelter, they can help in other ways, like creating a personalized safety plan to leave an abuser.
It is not as easy as one would suggest just to leave. And we want to also bring down the possibility of fatality when that person is leaving, because that is a high point of crisis and danger.
And we have seen that firsthand. ABC 15 Arizona reaching out to Phoenix Police and getting some new numbers, and they are startling. They've seen a 140% increase in domestic violence related homicides. That's comparing the same time this year to last year. And Moon really wants to stress, if you think you may be sick, exposed to COVID-19, that is not a reason why you should not be able to come to the shelter. They have casitas available that are isolated with you and your family. A nurse is also on hand. They don't want anything to keep you from getting help. So let's put some information up on the screen for you if you or someone you know needs to get help this morning. They can call New Life Center at 623-932-4404. You can also text them. This is the text number at 623-215-8072. Their website also up on the screen right now. And again, that new initiative means help is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And we have also made sure to put all this information for you on abc15.com. Reporting live in Goodyear, I'm Megan Thompson, ABC 15, Arizona.